Hello everyone, Baby's here. Well, I'm finally winding down after yesterday's Grand Canyon shenanigans. I'm finally starting to just relax and I want to build a Lego, but I don't want to commit to anything big. So, because it's 5:56 in the PM, so I grabbed this little set, this little retro food truck. Let's check it out. 4 bags, little baby sticker sheet. Looks easy enough. Let's build it. Well, that was a fun little build. Here's the guy inside making hot dogs, and this guy is hungry. This is the little retro food truck. Has a little lid up here. There's the lid. Just sits like that. Right over it. It's so cute. Check out the details inside. We got dogs on the grill over here. We got fries, condiments. This is so cool. Put your money down. Only 5 cents for a hot dog? Hey, that's pretty good. These hot dogs are delicious. They're really good. Glad you like them. Would you like another? No thanks, I'm stuffed. Thanks. Come back soon. Okay, beep beep. Bye. And here's what the other side looks like once it's all wrapped up, put away, everything's all nice and closed up. Ready for the next town. Sell hot dogs. Yay. Now it's my turn to have one. See you on the next one. Bye.